to insert table in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Here, click on Insert at the top. After you click on Insert at the top, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here you'll find Table. Simply click on Table at the top. You'll find different options to make table. Let's create by inserting a table in the boxes. Simply select how many columns, how many rows you want, and table will directly be inserted. But if you want other way, what you can again do is go to table, click on insert table, and draw the table in this way. You can draw lines wherever you want. And the last method is by simply going on Insert, Table, and clicking on Quick Tables, and you will find different quick tables available. Select the one you prefer and insert the table. You can edit it as you want as well. And this is how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.